Amazon 101, the basics, okay? Terms, terminology, other things. I was gonna write this stuff down, guys, but I didn't have any time. You know, as you guys all know, I have a lovely baby here, my little one, and so I don't really have enough time to do a lot of other things that I want to do. So instead of writing it down like I wanted to, step by step, I'm just gonna freestyle it for you guys. So forgive me if I miss out anything, but if I do, just leave a question and I'll get back to you. And I'm quite sure the gurus out there made videos about this, so maybe you picked up some of the things that I don't mention in this video elsewhere. But if not, I'll give you some answers if you need them. Just ask me in the comments. But as you can see, there's baby stuff everywhere. But I'm gonna jump right into this because I noticed one thing that I was doing that I hate personally when I used to look on YouTube for things is people talking about a lot of other stuff before they get to the point. So I'm gonna get to the point. Amazon 101. Oh, but by the way, what's up, family? You guys already know. If you're family, you subscribed and you hit the bell. If we friends, you just subscribed. And if you're nothing, why are you here? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. But if you're family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. And let's go. Let's get into it. So Amazon 101. The first thing I want to talk about, Amazon FBA 101. So the first thing I want to talk about is the different ways of selling on Amazon. Obviously, we all know. I'm going to just say them really quick. Private label, wholesale, retail arbitrage are the main ones. And then you even have affiliate marketing and whatnot. So, okay, now, since we got those out the way, if I forgot any, just comment below the ones I forgot, with Amazon at least. Okay, guys, this, like I said, private label, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale, affiliate marketing, and I think white labeling, and I think that's it. Like drop shipping, you can even do some drop shipping with So okay, anyways, guys, now there's something called the BSR. I mean, a lot of people have been asking me about that, like, you know, the newbies. You guys, for those of you who are new and just now starting to sell on Amazon, have been asking me, what is a BSR? I keep hearing you say BSR. What is BSR? How do I find BSR? What is this foreign acronym you are talking about? BSR, guys. Okay, that's the first thing we're going to talk about. I'm going to go through this really quick, so try to keep up, guys. If I go too fast, just pause it, rewind it, and listen to what I said again, because I don't want to make this video too long. So, okay, BSR. First and foremost, what is the BSR? The BSR is the number that indicates how many times that item can sell that month, that day, that year, that week, whatever the math you want to put into the BSR, you can figure out and calculate how many times, well, how many potential times the item will sell in whatever given estimated time you're looking for. So like I said, if you want to know how many times an item sells a month, the BSR can tell you that. If you want to know how many times that item can sell per day, the BSR will tell you that. So that's what the BSR is, guys. That's why it's so important to know the BSR, because without knowing the BSR, somebody just came in the house, but without knowing the BSR, then it's pretty much impossible to calculate if your item, the item you scanned or the item you found or whatnot, will sell, or if it will sell, or how many times it will sell. So with the BSR, it makes it easy to know that, okay, this item has a good BSR and it has good profit, so I'm pretty much sure that this item will sell within the month, or I'm pretty much sure that this item will sell definitely before you know, long-term storage fees, which is about 6 months. Okay, guys, so depending on whatever your threshold is, whatever you're cool with when it comes to BSR, everybody has their personal preferences. Me personally, I always pick items that sell at the bare minimum, the least 15 times per month, and that's pretty low. So but if it sells 15 times per month, then I can pretty much calculate that, okay, I'm gonna get rid of mine, at least it's selling 15 times a month. So but usually I like items that sell that in a day, you know, or way more. But 15 times per month is pretty much the BSR range I look for, and that's that. I'm not going to talk too much on it. If you have more questions about BSR, send me a comment below. I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can, okay, guys? So But how do you find the BSR? I'm gonna go through both ways. Okay, first the mobile app. Okay, now when you scan, I'm opening the app here. So when you scan a product, it'll pop up like this. Better yet, let me do it from the get-go. Let me just find something, right? Let's type in okay, whatever those were, hangers. So I typed in hangers. Okay, now boom, here's a hanger that popped up. Now, the BSR is the sales rank. You see where it says sales rank? On all of these items, whatever says sales rank is the BSR. Okay, guys? So that means this has a BSR of 93 in home. So I can click that product, right? And then it'll show me the BSR again right here. 93 in home means it has a BSR. The bestseller rank is 93 in home, which means this item sells hundreds and hundreds a day. You know, I don't like probably couple like 500 to 1,000 of these sell a day if it's 93 in home. Like, I mean, even more than that probably. I got to look at my calculations, but I can guarantee it's over 500 of these sell a day, right? So, which is insane with 93 BSR. Over 500 sell a day. So that's how you find the BSR on mobile. How do you find the BSR on desktop is somewhat no, actually it's not similar. So let's just type in hangers. You type in hangers, right? The same thing I typed in on my mobile app, and you go down, and to actually find the BSR on desktop, you have to actually, here's the same one that we seen on my mobile app that had a sales rank of 93. I'm quite sure this is the same one. So let's click it. You have to actually click the item, right? And then, well, you don't have to click it if you have the app here. Let me see. If I open up the my Jungle Scout app. Yeah, see, if you have the Jungle Scout app, then you do not need to even search for the BSR, because it tells me right here, as you guys can see, it says 93 rank. It's the top one right here, 93 rank. I can hover over it, and a picture of it will pop up. That's the same one we're looking at. 93 rank. That's one way you can find it. But you need the extension, the Jungle Scout extension. If you guys, for those of you who do not have the Jungle Scout extension, that's more so for private label people, people that want to get involved with private label, or even wholesaling. I've seen some people use it for wholesaling as well. It's not too much so for retail arbitrage. I never use it for retail arbitrage, but I'm quite sure there's a way you can use it. I just don't need it for retail arbitrage. Everything's done off of mobile for me. But private label and wholesale, definitely you probably look into the Jungle Scout app. So if you guys need that, I'll post a link down below to where you can get that. It will obviously be an affiliate link. Actually, I don't even know if it will be an affiliate link, because I never really did any affiliate stuff for Jungle Scout, but that's what I use, as you guys can see, like when I want to do my private label stuff. So I'll post a link below to where you can get that. But for the newbies out there who don't have this app and just getting started with retail arbitrage, the way you'll find the BSR is by going to the actual product and scrolling down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. It's takes a little bit more time on the desktop than it does on mobile. Here we go. You will go down to right here where it says product information, and then you will find the BSR right here. It says best sellers rank 93 in home and kitchen right here. You see? It says 93 in home and kitchen, and that's how you will find the BSR on mobile. Okay, guys? And that is all about BSR. Now, next chapter. Okay, guys, the next chapter. So, what we're going to move on to now is a term called the Asin. I seen somebody left me a comment asking to talk about more about the Asin and how to find it and what is it good for and what does it do, because they hear so many gurus throwing this term around, the Asin, and they don't really even know what it is. So, all the Asin is, guys, is it's a product identifier. It just identifies the product pretty much. And now, if I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, because like I said, I'm no guru, but for what I use for the Asin, that's all it is. It's a product identifier, and it's a quick way to find your product. Very, very fast way to find your product if you need to, right? So once again, I'm going to show you how to find the ASIN on the mobile, and I'm going to show you how to find the ASIN on the desktop. Okay, guys? So, and the reason why the ASIN is good, like I said, it's a product identifier. Not only that is, it's the fastest way to find your product. Not only that, you can actually plug the ASIN into different sites to actually see statistics on this product, like, you know, like camel. You can use the ASIN to see if it's a seasonal product, how much it sells during each season, things like that. So the ASIN is really important to just like I said, just to identify and keep track of your product and figure out more things about the product faster. So let's show you guys how to find the ASIN on the mobile app here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use the same exact example. I typed in hangers, you guys remember. Here's the BSR like before, 93 in home and kitchen. So we're gonna click here, right? We're gonna go to the actual product. This one is actually restricted. But the way I would find the ASIN with the mobile app really quick, and this doesn't always work, guys. So if you try this, it may not work. It may or may not work. But if it doesn't, you just have to wait till you get home and find the ASIN that way. But this is how I would find it. Majority of the time it works. But for some products, you know, that are not that popular, sometimes this won't work. So for the mobile app, all you do to find the ASIN is you type up, you tap the top, like the product listing name, so the title. So I would tap up here. As you see, it took me to a new page, and right here is the ASIN. You guys see that? It says ASIN right here below. You also can see the product dimensions, the product weight, the package quantity, and you know, different features of the product. When you tap the title, this is where it brings you. But the most important one is right here, the ASIN, which is how you also will send your item into Amazon to find it when you get home, to, you know, to start shipping all your items that you found for retail arbitrage. The fastest way to find it when you get home and on your desktop is by the ASIN. So you would take, oh man, I almost dropped my phone, guys. Hold on. So you would take this ASIN right here, the way I showed you how to find it. Remember, I'm gonna go back again, do it one more time for you guys. You click the item. I'll go even further. You scan the item. This all pops up. You find the one that's yours. You click it. You see the BSR. You click it. You see the BSR again. Oh, cool. Okay, you need the ASIN. You hit up there at the top, and the ASIN's right here. Then you would take the ASIN, and when you go to add a product, when you're in your back office, and if you didn't see my step-by-step how to send your items that you find in the store to Amazon, I will post a link to that video right now above me, which is, from what everyone's telling me, which is a really good video. It helps out everybody to know, newbies and even veterans, to know how to shop and find an item in the store and send it into Amazon, guys, and to make money really fast. So when you find the ASIN with the mobile app and you go on to add a product to ship it in, when it asks you the product you're looking for, you just simply type in that ASIN, and that exact product will pop up and save you so much time for searching for it. So that's why another reason why the ASIN is good. Now, how to find the ASIN on Amazon is really easy. Actually, it's easier than finding the BSR. The way I do it, so let's just go back, right? So here we have hangers. Remember, we typed this product right here. So this is how I would find the ASIN. I would click this product, right? Oh, there goes my product. So I would click it, and right here at the top, right here in the search field, most people will tell you you can go all the way down to that listing like I showed you before, but the quickest way is right here at the top. You see this little this little number I highlighted. Wait, where was it at? Right here. This little number I highlighted that starts with B00, that is the ASIN. So you can just copy and paste that, and there you have it. Or another way is the same way you would find the BSR, which is a longer method, but you go all the way down, and right here it says ASIN. It says ASIN, and it's, look, B00, whatever the rest of that says, which is the exact same as up here on the search bar, the faster way that I like to use. So that's the quickest way to find the ASIN. Alright, Next chapter. Maybe I have brain fart right now because I have my little one and she just takes all my thought process. But I think that's about it. That's all you really need to know. If I'm forgetting something, just comment below. That's something you guys are having trouble with or need to know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But as far as everything else goes, go check out my step-by-step video. My step-by-step video gives you guys a deep, in-depth way how to send your products from home that you bought in the store to Amazon. Okay, guys? So go check that video out, and I'm quite sure you would know how to do everything after you watch that video. And as far as the terms go, that's the two main big ones, Asin and BSR, from what people have been asking me to talk more about. So there you have it. That's the Asin, that's the BSR. Like I said, I don't think there's anything else. The UPC and all that, that's like more for private label. So I'm not really going to touch on that. There's millions of gurus talking about the UPC. Just type in UPC code for a product on on YouTube, and a million people will pop up because a million people are gurus about private label. But as far as the Asin and BSR, that's what you guys need to know. If I missed anything, leave it in the comments. And yeah, there you go, guys. I'm about to go chill with my baby girl now. So it's peace and love. You family. If you family, subscribe and hit the bell. You already know. I gotta go though. Peace.